Our Reproductive Health e-learning course is free, multilingual, and easily accessible. Over 10,000 medical providers around the globe already receive certifications. Our online training course offers you health workers, medical students, community health workers, and pharmacists an opportunity to equip yourselves with the necessary skills to provide care for women with unwanted pregnancies within 13 weeks of gestation. Our Providers course was created in collaboration with the International Planned Parenthood Federation. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what some providers have to say. The training is focused on person-centered care and includes a module on supporting women in self-care after the process. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate yourself and add this course to your curriculum. Visit our website now. Your future as a reproductive health expert starts here.